gonna die.
She's a ballerina. Isn't that what it reminds you of? Yeah. So wait, will you? Yeah.
Dream car right here, just to let y'all know. It's a Shelby. This is super cute. I think it's.
And when we're making
Yeah, because I gotta do better angles. Ooh, this shit is. Oh my gosh. Look at the build of that. That shit is nice. If I wasn't recording, that's fine. So many nice cars here.
35 in the rear.
Oh shit.
Stand next to it. I get a picture of you. I can print it out if you want. Oh, you know what it is? All it is.
Oh, this Blair. Every single car, I'm gonna have to come at an angle. I wonder if there's a way for me to do like a wider range. From my camera. Oh, look. I like this. Where should I go to? Oh my gosh. This bitch is. A very nice turnout.
Guess what car it is?
I'm gonna die. I love Mustangs. Oh my gosh. That's where I need to be. Oh, it's a GTO. Because I never got the front of this car. Oh shit. That bitch. Glamorous. Look at that one.
Hey, man, I'm telling you, woman can spend some money.
Right.
I mean, not broke.
Mustang. Lava. See if I can. So many pictures of it.
It has one of these. It ain't gonna flash you with her. Is yours a female car? Mine's a female car. She's a ballerina. Isn't that what it reminds you of?
Yeah.
So wait, we can go right in here. He's right around the corner, and this is the 19. That's a 1990. You weren't even born. They still, mine's totally different.
Okay, yes,
But
I know
this
these
car
cars.
weighs 2,200 pounds.
Something like that.
It's so light. It's like a motorcycle. Nobody sees you in it. You'll lose all ties with. If you're ever doing a more fun car, yes, they will never get it. It's something the smaller guys can do. I was going to go down here to the library. I'm going to pull. Tell me your name.
I feel like a bad little picture that I took. Damn it. They're leaving. I didn't even get no pictures. But this Mini Coupe, oh my gosh. A dream. Literally. Y'all look at this Cowboys themed ass car. This is super cute. I think, is this a Lincoln? I might be tripping. I don't know.
That DCR is pretty hot, man. Drive for a year or two.
Gwendolyn needs to come. This is beautiful.
Oh, you like this one? She getting it all. You put it on.
Your car okay? You're good.
Like I say, we're going. Jay. On this thing.
Now y'all know I love a color combination interior. Look at that. Blue is my favorite color, by the way. Beautiful. Oh shit. Dream car right here, just to let y'all know. Yep, 1965 Mustang.
He said that.
This is my dream car.
I need something bigger. I want a camera. Anyway, so now
Never thought I'd see one of these bitches in person. Oh my gosh, there's another one right beside it.
And now he's got a 61 truck bed.
we're just gonna take a little detour because I spy with my pretty little eyes something cute and pink. Not
The light room or Photoshop on the bunkhouse.
I just love a cute Porsche. Oh, we got some bikes. Did dude ever pull his? I'm looking for those two Lamborghinis that came in. Wait, look at the details on this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's cute. Look at that. We gotta get pictures. It's a Shelby. That bitch is nice. So many cars I can't even video. It's a Shelby. So I was looking at this car and then I saw the detail inside of it. Now I do like the one beside it. But watch this. That is, oh my gosh. Everything. then we have this one. And y'all know I love a blue interior.